Transcranial Magnetic Stimulation, TMS, is a non-invasive brain stimulation technique that uses magnetic fields to influence neural activity. By delivering brief magnetic pulses through a coil placed on the scalp, TMS can modulate the excitability of neurons in targeted brain regions. This technology has garnered attention not only for its therapeutic applications in depression and other neurological disorders, but also for its potential to enhance cognitive functions and creativity. How might TMS improve cognitive performance? Research has shown that applying TMS to specific brain areas can temporarily increase or decrease neural activity, leading to measurable changes in functions like memory, attention, and problem solving. For example, stimulating the dorsolateral prefrontal cortex, a region associated with working memory and decision-making, has been linked to improved performance on tasks requiring concentration and executive control. Studies have also indicated that modulating activity in the temporal lobes can enhance creative thinking, suggesting that TMS might help individuals generate novel ideas more efficiently. One critical aspect of TMS is its ability to create transient changes in brain connectivity. By altering the balance of excitatory and inhibitory signals within neural networks, TMS may foster a state of heightened plasticity. This means the brain might be more receptive to learning and adaptation during stimulation, potentially facilitating better integration of new information. For instance, in controlled experiments, participants receiving TMS showed improved performance in creative problem-solving tasks compared to those who did not receive stimulation. Could this increased plasticity be the key to unlocking greater cognitive potential? Many researchers believe that temporarily enhancing neural connectivity may provide a window of opportunity for cognitive improvements that extend beyond the stimulation period. Another point of interest is the safety and non-invasiveness of TMS. Unlike surgical interventions or pharmacological treatments, TMS does not require anesthesia or medication, and its effects are generally temporary. This makes it an attractive option for research into cognitive enhancement, where repeated sessions might lead to cumulative benefits without long-term risks. However, it also raises questions about individual variability. Why do some individuals experience significant cognitive boosts, while others show only marginal improvements? Ongoing research aims to determine the optimal stimulation protocols and understand the neural mechanisms underlying these differences. Advanced studies are now exploring how TMS can be combined with other interventions, such as cognitive training or mindfulness practices, to further boost its effects. In one set of experiments, participants engaged in creative tasks immediately after TMS sessions showed enhanced idea generation compared to those who only received cognitive training. This suggests that TMS might act as a catalyst, priming the brain for improved cognitive performance. Could combining TMS with behavioral interventions offer a more robust approach to cognitive enhancement? Early evidence supports this notion, indicating that multimodal strategies may yield synergistic benefits. By investigating TMS as a tool for cognitive enhancement and creativity, scientists are not only expanding our understanding of brain plasticity, but also paving the way for potential applications in education, occupational performance, and even artistic endeavors. As research continues to refine the parameters of TMS, questions remain about its long-term efficacy and optimal usage. How can we best tailor TMS protocols to individual brain patterns and specific cognitive goals? The answers to these questions are still emerging, but the current trajectory of research points toward a promising future where non-invasive brain stimulation could become a valuable tool for enhancing human potential. TMS uses pulsed magnetic fields to induce electric currents in specific regions of the brain, altering neuronal excitability. Depending on the frequency and intensity of stimulation, TMS can enhance or inhibit neural activity, influencing cognitive function. High-frequency stimulation greater than 5 Hz is associated with increased cortical excitability, while low-frequency stimulation less than 1 Hz suppresses overactive brain regions. This technology allows researchers to precisely target areas linked to memory, attention, and creativity without the need for invasive procedures. TMS has been shown to enhance working memory performance when applied to the dorsolateral prefrontal cortex, DLPFC, a key area for executive function. It's like adjusting the brightness of a light bulb. Low stimulation dims activity, while high stimulation amplifies neural processing. memory formation relies on synaptic plasticity, where repeated activation of neural pathways strengthens connections. TMS can enhance memory by stimulating the hippocampus and prefrontal cortex, key regions involved in memory consolidation. Studies suggest that theta burst stimulation (TBS) mimics the brain's natural rhythm for encoding memories, improving recall ability. By reinforcing these pathways, TMS holds promise for enhancing learning efficiency in healthy individuals. Research has shown that TMS, applied to the left prefrontal cortex, enhances long-term memory recall in both young and older adults. It's like reinforcing a trail in a forest. Frequent use makes it easier to follow the same path again. Creativity is linked to reduced cognitive inhibition, allowing for unconventional thought patterns and idea generation. TMS applied to the lateral prefrontal cortex, PFC, temporarily reduces inhibition, promoting divergent thinking and increasing originality. Studies have shown that modulating left brain dominance with TMS enhances artistic and problem-solving abilities. By disrupting rigid thought patterns, TMS enables the brain to explore novel associations and creative solutions. Experiments with TMS have increased fluency in creative writing and idea generation when applied to the right anterior temporal lobe. It's like turning off a filter in a camera, revealing hidden details in the image. Attention control relies on sustained activity in the prefrontal cortex, where TMS can enhance neural synchronization and processing speed. High-frequency stimulation of the dorsolateral prefrontal cortex, DLPFC, improves attention span, reaction time, and cognitive flexibility. Studies suggest that TMS can reduce distractions and improve concentration in both clinical populations and healthy individuals by modulating activity in attention-regulating circuits. TMS enhances the brain's ability to maintain focus on complex tasks. Students undergoing TMS stimulation before exams have demonstrated improved concentration and test performance. It's like fine-tuning a radio to eliminate static and hear the signal more clearly. Learning new skills depends on neuroplasticity, the brain's ability to reorganize and form new neural pathways. TMS can boost synaptic efficiency, accelerating the acquisition of motor skills, language learning, and problem-solving abilities. By targeting sensoromotor and prefrontal areas, TMS enhances procedural learning and cognitive adaptability. This has potential applications in language learning, musical training, and professional skill development. Athletes using TMS-assisted training have shown faster motor adaptation and improved reaction times in precision sports. It's like sharpening a knife to make cutting faster and more precise. Deep sleep is critical for memory consolidation and brain detoxification, but TMS might offer an alternative method for restoring cognitive function. Research suggests that TMS can mimic slow-wave brain activity, helping to improve cognitive performance even after sleep deprivation. By stimulating the same neural patterns seen during deep sleep, TMS could enhance mental recovery and energy levels. While it cannot replace natural sleep, it may offer temporary cognitive boosts in high-performance settings. Sleep-deprived professionals using TMS stimulation have maintained decision-making accuracy and reaction speed beyond normal exhaustion levels. It's like recharging a battery in quick bursts instead of waiting for a full charge. While TMS is generally safe, prolonged or excessive use may lead to neuronal fatigue or unintended personality changes. The ethical debate surrounds whether cognitive enhancement should be available only for medical needs or accessible to healthy individuals. There is also concern about long-term dependence on neurostimulation for peak performance. Regulatory guidelines are still evolving, balancing innovation with ethical responsibility. Some countries regulate TMS for medical use only, restricting access for performance enhancement applications. It's like using caffeine, beneficial in moderation but potentially harmful in excess. Aging leads to a decline in neuroplasticity, reducing memory retention and cognitive speed. TMS has been shown to counteract age decline by stimulating the prefrontal cortex and hippocampus, areas essential for cognition. Clinical trials suggest that TMS can boost cognitive performance in older adults, delaying symptoms of dementia and neurodegeneration. By enhancing neural activity, TMS offers a non-drug approach to preserving brain function. Elderly patients receiving TMS therapy show improvements in verbal, recall, and executive function. It's like upgrading old computer software to restore faster processing speeds. TMS is being integrated with brain-computer interfaces to enhance real-time cognitive control. By pairing TMS with AI-driven neurofeedback systems, users could achieve personalized cognitive boost on demand. Future applications may include instant language translation, augmented intelligence, and real-time memory retrieval. The fusion of TMS and neurotechnology could redefine how humans interact with information and expand cognitive potential. Experimental BCI-TTM systems are being developed for instant skill learning, such as rapid language acquisition. It's like plugging a human brain into a high-speed internet connection for instant data access.